And in business news, the Securities and Exchange Commission has called on stakeholders, intermediaries, issuers, investors, and regulators to embrace the enormous resources and potential of sustainable finance to build a green, climate-resilient economy and create greater prosperity for all. The Director General of the Commission, Mr. Mitomi Agama, made this call during a capacity-building workshop financed by Capital Markets Development Trust Fund and African Development Bank Group for capital market operators in Lagos. The SECDG, represented by Mr. Bola Jumale, emphasized the Commission's commitment to champion sustainable finance initiatives and urged businesses to support this transition by diverting from unsustainable practices to adopting green finance principles.
We have seen the first green finance bonds come into the market, and so what SEC is doing is the next stage. Creating the rules is the first stage, monitoring compliance with the rules is the second stage, enforcing compliance as well, or enforcing when people have infractions, is the third level. What we're doing right now is creating capacity around the professionals in order to let them know where the rules are, where the rules stand, and how they can comply with those rules.
We can't talk too much about the need to protect our environment and to save the environment for the future. I think it's well timed. It's good for people to learn about climate change and how to stem it, or how to stem the risk of climate change indeed, and how to also develop products that can benefit us as an economy while still protecting our environment.
The regulator is doing two things. One is trying to ensure investors that the money that they invest in, there's a structure being created or has been created to ensure the safety of the money that is going into this. The governance structure is there and it's been enhanced all the day, every time, in line with global standards. But more importantly, this is a market development opportunity to educate the market on the benefits as well as the risks. But more importantly, how do you change the risks into opportunities as market changes and as we develop new opportunities for those coming behind us?